Quick Start Update. Welcome to AutoRepair Cloud page. In this video, we will tell you how to start using our application. To begin, you need to register your account. Please see our previous videos on how to register your account. Now you can open your account and set it up for future use. Fill out all required data under Company Profile tab in the Configurations section. Then enter your work hours. Next, go to Customers and Vehicles section, add a new customer and click on Add, Find New Customers and Vehicles. Fill out all required data and press Save. Then, add a vehicle using a VIN code or a license plate. You can also enter the data manually. Year, make, model, trim, vehicle photo. After you added a vehicle, you can start the first repair by clicking the New Repair button. To select a repair type, press this button. Then select the repair, enter description and click on Add Item. See our previous videos for more details. To make a payment for repair, use the link located under this video. You can start communicating with your customer here as well. Please watch a video on our channel on how to do this. Click Help to see information for each page. If you did not find the information you were looking for and still need help, please contact our tech support by clicking on the chat box sign. Type your question and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching our customer web portal review. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe to see other videos and stay updated.